Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can use the superscript and subscript in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. Okay, so go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it, maximize it, click on the blank document. And here, let me just quickly give you an example of how this would look like. Okay, so let me just type in here. Okay, so if you want to look your, or if you want to know on how you can get into this, especially if you are going in your mathematical typings or mathematical text, wherein this symbols or this type of typing or the use of superscript and subscript is very common. Now let's go quick into it. So this is the superscript and this is the subscript. And how you can get into it? Let's type they let's type the numerical. I mean, like they, it's not the numerical. I mean, we need to type they. Okay, so let's type in here a letter and a number. Okay, so in order to put this number or set this into squared, we need to select it. And here, click on the home tab. Then you will find the option, this one, superscript. Type very small letters just above the line of a text. Click on that. And that's it. Now let's use the subscript. Let's type a letter again and a number. Then we have to select. You have to select first the number or word that you need to put into the or need to set into subscript or superscript. And then let's click on this option, subscript. And that's it. As easy as that. Now let's try with a line. So let's type in here B and then nice. Let's set this to small letter. Okay, select the word nice and then you will find this option, superscript. Click on that. And as easy as that, okay? You can also use the shortcut key. So for the subscript, it's control plus shift plus sign symbol. And for the superscript, it's control shift and the now for the subscript, it's control plus shift plus minus sign symbol. Again, it's minus sign for subscript. And for the superscript, it's control plus shift plus the plus sign symbol. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.